path lies before me.
The corpse does not respond. The corpse has nothing to say.
Watch your back.
Which way to the nearest library?
My faith will guide me.
Trust no one.
Can't give up now.
Don't touch me.
I've got a long road ahead. Better than nothing. Ahead. Be cautious. Here we go. What's up for discussion?
It's a sad day in the Maid. A sad and bloody day. Captain Grizzly's dead. And my only comfort is you after killer. A goddamned hag of all things. Not a clue. My head's still melted. Feels like I've been sucking on fog for days. All I know is I had one job. Protect my captain. And I failed. She left me the maid. And while it won't be the same without her, know you're always welcome here, mate.
I suppose. They've got armies to deal with.
It's not that. It's that no politician ever went down in history. So let me look at that I've really spared no expense.
You want them flooding in here, driving down our wages even more?
Well, no. Wouldn't want that.
She's dead, isn't she? Ethel is dead.
Yes! Fuck you, Ethel, you miserable old bat! Fuck you for telling me I'd be an awful mom. That I was nothing but a pregnant half-wit. Oh, and the girl? You saved her too, right? Oh, thank the gods! You hear that, Connor? Ethel is dead.
Oh, you didn't change back? You're still a zombie. I thought with Ethel gone. Never mind. I'll find another way to turn you back. Somehow.
Of course. Here. Because of you, I'll finally be able to sleep with both eyes shut. Thank you. You'll be born any day now.
I can't wait to meet you.
Crew are dead on their feet, while the others are ready to drop everything and leave.
Drums are nothing to speak then.
Everything's going to be alright. You brought her back. You brought back my sweet, sweet girl. I doubt I'll ever sleep again. For fear she'll be swiped from under my nose. Here. A token from the pirate life I left behind. Thank you for being braver than half this city put together. sweet girl? How about we bake something? You love baking. Remember?
Careful, I'm right.
No time to dally.
Still alive. So that's progress.
Mommy. That's right. Mommy is here. You hungry, sweet girl? How about we bake something? You love baking. Remember?
Watch your back.
No time to rest. On my way.
It's street art. If you don't like it, you can literally walk away.
These artist types are always so soft, aren't they? You make one little comment and their egos crumble to dust.
Promise. Mommy. That's right. Mommy is here. You hungry, sweet girl? Bake something.
Flickering candy. Nah, the wooden sets were the best bits.
Lots of talk about the brilliant future of Baldur's Gate. City of steel and justice.
Doesn't say anything about the horrible present. Chaos. Stories! Get them right here! The printing block is never...
Come get your copy of the Baldur's Mouth Gazette. When the mouth speaks, the city shakes. All right there, Chief? Can I interest you in a copy of our fine broadsheet? Have a gander at that. Come back tomorrow if you fancy fresh news.
Bloody believe it. No more puzzles.
Find all the remedy and alchemy ingredients you need at Bonecloak's Apothecary.
I know you. So you made it out of the Underdark. More than I can say for Balin.
If the old sack was going to die, he could have brought back some noble stock beforehand. Without the bloody fungus, Bonecloak's days are numbered. Oh, sure. Cultists on the loose, A murderer hacking people to bits, and big metal freaks stomping hither, thither, and yon. Couldn't be more delighted. Go on then.
Whatever it takes. Whatever comes, I'm ready.
I should speak up.
Let me back in, or bring Lorroakin out here, you tin tube. You tell Lorroakin I went for his goddamn night song, and now he has to pay up. What are you looking at? Shit, it's you. You went looking for the night song after me. Please tell me you found it. Answer the question. Did you find it or not? Anathema! Hells. If I'd known, I'd have asked for more gold. Kidnapping costs more than theft. Don't forget, I'm the one who gave you that contract. I want my cut. To knock some sense into you. But you know what? I'm too goddamn tired. If she's out there, I'm gonna find her. You mark my words.
That's why we need the ointment.
How can I help you? He's the most powerful wizard in Baldur's Gate, and I am his apprentice.
I've heard rumors about Lorroakin's teaching, or lack of it. His students are no more than glorified shopkeepers.
You must be here to shop. I am Sundries, while Tona deals with tomes. Or are you perhaps another adventurer with information on the Night Song? I suppose that, at least, I can help with. Hope you found what you're looking for.
Jeremy and his mother got frightened when they came out.
What? If you've got information, Master Leroican will want to speak to you immediately. He speaks of almost nothing else than the Night Song's retrieval. Head upstairs to find the way into his tower, but be careful. Mistakes are always punished around here.
Look, a bookseller. She can point us to the tome I need.
I simply must have it.
Where is the famous Leroican? His shop is an utter shambles.
There's not much left. Looks like folks heard the Absolute was on the march and bought everything that wasn't nailed down.
Madness. Not a title for me, I think. Madness.
Ripe with magic. At once.
Literature department. Can I help you? Shh. These books are sensitive. They prefer an environment of quiet reverence. Wouldn't trade it for the world. So I wouldn't. Anything I can help you with? Bold. You might have heard that our library has a collection other shops would lack the skill to curate. Between us, even Master Leroican was reluctant to house them in his tower. The pen is mightier than the magic wand, apparently. They're locked away here for their and our customers' safety. Our finest reserve includes the Tharkiot Codex, the Annals of Karsus and Ethery's Folly, Sights of the Seelie, and the Curriculum of Strategy. Do any of those interest you? said to be written by Lord Carsus himself, the Netherese arcanist who attempted to replace the goddess Mystra, failed, and was banished for the attempt. Great magical knowledge lies within those pages, but not many can withstand it.
The Annals of Carsus. Where better to learn the secrets of the crown than in the writings of the one who might have forged it?
Buy. Books as temperamental as these are not on sale. They are secured in our vault, where none can harm them, nor can they do any harm. Consider yourself lucky to have learned of such a book's existence, and then forget about it. The Annals of Carsus are best left unread. Customers like you are why I prefer the company of books. The only way to gain access to the vault is through my office. And before you ask, no, you are not allowed in there either. Psst. I already told you. It is locked in our vault. And with good reason. Imagine if a tome so dangerous was sold to someone with such poor comprehension. You certainly have. Even simple knowledge of these tomes is enough to stimulate most.
My pleasure.
Resurge! I can tell you're a discerning guest. You're after nothing but the best. And luckily for you, that's exactly what
Take
the
your
best romantic charms in the city. Or your money.
That's why we
just think of the possibility.
Take your
Fresh, high quality.
Let's get going. If not over, then through.
Why aren't they rationing anything?
Gold. It's all about profits, my love. Might be a lot.
What will we do in the meantime? I simply must have it.
Absolute or not, my spirit is
Welcome, dear patron, to the floor at the top of the stairs. If you have information about the Night Song, great riches await. If you are here to waste the great wizard Leroican's time, reconsider. Let your knowledge determine your path forward.
Well, at least they seem to...
Here goes nothing.
The Night Song is an ancient potion that allows its drinker to become irresistibly attractive to man and god alike. The Night Song is a druidic staff that allows its bearer command over an army of ancient beasts. The Night Song is an immortal being, the child of a deity. The Night Song is a priceless ruby from a realm beyond our own.